Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import any of the motion and animation from Mixamo and import into Character Creator 4 and iClone 8 to make it become the rlMotions just in a few seconds. Everything take it easy. Then the rlMotions, they will become the motion file that's available for your iClone 8 and Character Creator 4 for your future use. You can use it anytime. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. First, go to the Mixamo website. I'm going to show you how to just get some motion from there. Now it is loading the Mixamo. And then, first, just go to the character. And here you search for export. Then, click the export to make sure it loads this export. Next, go to the animations. From the animation, you can search any of the animation, for example, the kick. Let's say now if I want to have this kick, just click on that. Before that, wait, just close it first. Before that, just download the T-pose without any of the animation. Just download this first. Download as a T-pose. Just download. It will show that you are going to download and export. Just wait for it to finish download it. Right, now you can see the export one already finished download. Click here, show in folder. This is the export. Open your Character Creator 4, drag and drop the export in, then show the character. Humanoid, click apply. Then the Mixamo CHXX character, choose this one, click OK. Done. Once done already, next, choose the motion that you want, for example the MMA kick. Then download without skin. Download. It is going to just download the motion. Downloading the assets. This is the MMA kick. Once it already finished, download the MMA kick. It will be here. This is the download folder. Refresh it, the MMA kick. Then back to your Character Creator 4. Drag the motions into your avatar. Then the main profile, make sure it is Mixamo CHXX character. Then auto generate to perform this one you must take it, click convert all. Then once it already done, then you can just go to my video description, go to the save location, copy this, copy, and then right click the file explorer, paste it here, Ctrl V to paste, and press enter. Now you can see the MMA kick already at there. This is the rlMotion. Okay, this is the rlMotion that automatically saved into the external motion folder. You can just copy it out like this. And then next time you can use it. For example, use it in iClone. This is the iClone 8. Window, Workplace, Standards. I'm going to call out an avatar. And now we can try to load the motions. This is the MMA kick just now. Drag and drop into your avatar. It is going to perform. Now try to play. Now you can see this is the MMA kick just now. This is just a really simple way to import any of the Mixamo motion from the Mixamo website and then make it become an rlMotion for your Character Creator 4.2 and also your iClone 8.2. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D modeling and 3D animation, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and game developing. See you!